So today in Puerto Rico, once again, diving into a canyon in search of some more hidden waterfalls. We were a little dismayed because we thought it was gonna rain all day. However, it appears the rain is breaking and I am hiking back up the hill after dropping the car at the bottom of the canyon that we're gonna be running today. It looks like pretty low flow in this canyon, but the water looks pretty crystal clear. So another day off the beaten path in Puerto Rico, and look at these beautiful views of the surrounding cliffs. Oh, this guy, he looks peligroso. Hey buddy. Amigo? Amigo? Okay. So originally it said there's gonna be an hour hike back after dropping the car off, but I caught a ride for a few minutes. So I shaved off some time. So looking forward to meet up with Sam with the gear and hola, and get in this canyon. Just caught another ride. So that shaved like at least a half an hour, maybe more of walking. I think I only walked for like 10 or 15 minutes. So that might have shaved like 45 minutes off my hike back up, and I'm almost there. So Sam was just holding up in this cave waiting for me. Did you go and take a look at the little falls over there?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Looks beautiful, huh?
Clear water.
Did you enjoy your time in the jungle cave?
I did. It was very peaceful.
Were you meditating like the Buddha?
Of course.
All right, this part's a little slippery. Drop off of it's not so bad actually. I thought it was a bigger drop off. Oh, that water looks clear. Nice and clear. All right, why don't you lead the way? It's funny because it's not slippery right here. Whew. It's not slippery. The one spot it's not slippery. I mean, this looks like a down climb over here. Yeah, we can go off that big tree if we need to. We got those. No, I can rig it. Surprised there's nothing over here. Maybe those are a hand line. Yeah. This might be the 135 drop. If there's no anchor, if there's no bolts for that second drop, maybe that's why the anchor's so far back. So we can pull from that far side. That looks like a good line. Okay. I'm just gonna rig both drops in one. Okay. Okay. Cool. Rope. Watch this vine above your head. Clip up there, or clip your short one to the hand line, and then.
Is there someone fucked up with?
Huh. Give it a shot. Yep. Hey, beggars can't be choosers. Oh yeah, good. Woo-hoo. Oh, fuck. Oh. You mudding up that pristine pool? You mudding it up for me?
I was swimming. I thought if I swam, it would be less muddy.
Oh, maybe.
Really?
I think right.
It's so slippery over
I know, but it looks more like steps. Huh. Back to where it all began. Now, there's the car. Another excellent day in Puerto Rico. Maybe some more stuff coming, I don't know. We'll see. But if not, get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous.
Infamous.